So are you thinking about dropping cable? Well, Fire TV might be one of the best options that you have in 2018. Hey guys, this is the Sun and welcome back to yet another video where I'm going to show you guys the best technology, the best equipment to make your life just a little bit easier. Before we start this video, let me tell you about the whole situation of my room right now. I am right now in process of changing my location. So the past couple of videos that I have released has been in different location and I apologize about that, but hopefully in the next couple of days I will have my place completely fixed, solid, and good to go. But until then, excuse the mess. I think about a year that I have dropped cable completely, and I have two things that has replaced my cable. One is my computer and the next thing is Apple TV. But recently I've been prone to look at Fire TV Stick and Amazon and see what they have to offer, and after using it for a couple of weeks I found out that this is completely, if not better than my Apple TV. Now the new Apple TV has the 4K capability, which this one does not, but for the price this one can offer you something around that spectrum and can make your life a little bit easier. First of all, it will support all of those popular TV shows and apps such as Netflix, HBO, Fox, Hulu, whatever you have, this will support it. Of course, you're not gonna have access to your library of Apple product and their categories, but with this one, you have a lot of leeway. You have Amazon Music, which is awesome, and it just falls into the Google and Android spectrum. Now the Fire TV, if you're in the game fan and if you like play game, Fire TV also offers a couple of games that are pretty useful and pretty fun to play. And as you can see on the front, they advertise a couple of those games for you to make it easy for you. Well, beside that, let's get inside the unboxing. First of all, the front of the package, as you can see, showcases the actual Amazon TV or the Fire TV. One thing that I don't like about this is that you have to stick something like this to your TV. Now this both is something good and bad. The good thing is that well, it's discreet, you don't have to plug something to your TV or anything. The bad thing is that if you have one of those weird shaped TVs, this might not be a good fit for you, but that's as far as the design for me. It has a controller right off the bat, so you don't have to buy any extra accessories, but if you're planning to game on it, you could definitely buy a keyboard, a mouse, and all of those goodies and just connect it all to this. On the side we have the Fire TV logo, and on the other side we have a couple of information which indicates that this uses Alexa voice control. It has Adobe Audio, which is awesome. Actually, Adobe Audio was just added to Apple TV, so this is something that might have been better than Apple TV up until this point, but as of right now, in iOS 12, which is coming up, not out yet, Siri and Apple TV will support Adobe Audio. It has a 1080p HD TV quality, which is not a 4K resolution, but 1080p is not bad, and it has a quad-core processor, so this is something nice. And then you can watch everything and anything in here, and on the back of it they made sure to let you know what you can do with this. Now to open it, it has a little sticker on top of here that we can easily rip and open it. Let's try this. All right, this is interesting. It always feels nice to open packages. This is something you can never get used to. Oh, first of all, I love the packaging. It feels really premium and it feels very solid. So after you open it, there is a little tab right here that you kind of pull out, and that's it. we are greeted with the box itself that holds the actual Fire TV. Now we're gonna open this up and bam, nice. So we have a little user manual guide. I believe this is for the remote. This is the Alexa remote for your TV, and on the inside it shows how to connect it, what comes with it, what doesn't come with it, and how you can manage your device. So we put that aside. Next thing, we have a little, I believe, advertisement for the Fire TV and the program that works on Fire TV, which is HDTV, ESPN, Amazon, AMX, TNT, and basically all the popular channel that you're looking for. Next, we have the actual plug. This is kind of similar to the Amazon plugs, but we have the plug and it's USB. And next item in the box is the actual unit that gets connected to your TV, and it has a power adapter, so I have to power this. I thought it gets the juice from the TV. Well, that's a downside. This is not something that I was hoping for. I thought it's all wireless, just one plug, but no, apparently you have to plug it in. Well, that's a downer. Anyway, we put that aside. Next thing, we have the remote control. So I like the remote, even though it's a little bulky, but it doesn't have that much weight to it, so it's really easy to handle. And we have the Amazon Alexa voice control right here, and then we have a couple of buttons in here. One is the Alexa voice control. Next we have the home, return, menu, pause, play, forward, and rewind. Well, this is good. One thing that I was surprised is that this unit already comes equipped with battery, and of course the batteries are on Amazon. So this is cool. Let's place in the battery in. Interesting battery slots. Check these out. I'm in focus. Yeah, check these battery slots out. It doesn't have that usual battery slot interface, if you might call it that. But this is interesting. We are connected. Cool. Anyway, this is it. Next, we have our power cable and an adapter. Oh, so if your TV has one of those weird shapes, this is a cool adapter that you could basically plug this into it and kind of position your HDMI in whatever shape or form that you want. So it's cool that they include this. You don't have to buy it as an accessory, but that is nice. And then we have the power brick right here. Bam. We shall plug it in. And that's it. You plug this in, put this on the back of your monitor or on the back of your TV, and that's it. You rock on. You have access to everything. But I will do a little bit of show on it in later video when I set it up. But as far as right now, this is a really nice alternative way to just ditch cable completely. I don't know if anybody still uses cable. I used to use cable, but people that I know, they stopped using cable. This was a quick video, just an unboxing, and as always, stay happy, stay classy, and stay beautiful, and I'll check you guys on the next one.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.